recording?
Yeah. Go for it.
Well, said you don't know what you're missing yet. I've still not heard back from you, and I'm stood here with my washer waiting. Well, I'm not really waiting, it's just a joke.
I'm falling over.
That's off you.
What do you think of this washer then?
I really like it. I wish it, well, hopefully Wayne will let me have it for scrap. I'm hoping that he will do. Hope he's realising there is something wrong with it. Hey Mum, this is what ours should have done when we turned the dial up. Light on, light off. But
ours didn't do that, did it?
No, it was always on. That's what it should have done.
Right, can I stop this now?
Yeah, if you want to. Oh yeah. Alright then.
Yeah.
No news on this washer yet, he's not had a chance.
Pardon?
He's not had a chance to look at the washer yet, so there's no news on it.
What are you having to go golfing?
I bet that's Barry's, because he goes golf, doesn't he?
Come in, you.
Not Barry, Chuckle, the boss. Not Barry. The washing machines. Yeah. I've got the telly said. Well, you